Sora, Donald, Goofy, join Ironhead. Sorry, I didn't mean to. I meant to put that, but I just didn't. The drowning nothingness. And please, please help me with the design of Sora in this world. Because I'm really having a tough time with this. My friend Waleed is also helping me, but, you know, same thing. He's really getting nothing. No, when I'm recording a video.
That's retarded.
Shut up, I'm asking for help. When you're going to Death's Clutch, I meant to, put that you go against, Heart Scrapers, which is, heartless version of the Tip Choppers, but oh well. You know, protect that against the bus. Alright, see you then.